right, welcome back. This is Breaking Today. Moving on now, flash floods are expected to occur in different parts of the country this week as a result of heavy downpour, as anticipated by the Kenya Meteorological Department. A high 50 millimeters per 24 hours is expected, and the Met Department has advised those living in flash-prone areas to move to higher grounds to avoid the looming crisis in form of floods or landslides. Robert Oma with more.
The month of May has always been marred by heavy rains and cold weather in most regions in the country. This year is no different. The weatherman warning on heavy downpour this week.
Pahali kunanyesha tayari udongo uko saturated. Kwa hivyo mvua yoyote ile inatokea sana sana huwa udongo hauna nafasi ya kuchukua yale maji. So kwa sasa ile mvua inaongezeka sana sana, kuna kawaida itaweza kuteremuka na inaweza kuleta mafuriko hasa sehemu za chini zile zinambatana na mito.
The regions to be affected by the rains include west of Rift Valley, southeastern lowlands, northeast of Rift Valley, Lake Naivasha Basin, central Rift Valley, among others. Counties of Nairobi, Kisii, Turkana, Kiambu, Meru, Uasin Gishu, Kisumu, Kericho, Narok and Homa Bay counties are topping the list of the counties to face the wrath of the rains. However, Mombasa, Kilifi, Garissa, Taita Taveta and Lamu counties will continue experiencing a prolonged dry season. The Kenya Met Department, however, has advised the raining rains call for caution all the times.
Kwa hivyo mvua ikiongezeka, basi huenda ukakuta mafuriko inatokea karibu sehemu zile ziko karibu na mito kubwa, na zile sehemu zile hazija kuwa well drained, hasa sehemu za mji. Wakati huu watu wasipite kwa yale maji, na wakuwa waangalivu wakati wanaopita kwa maji yale yanatembea.
The rain that is pounding the country has left flood-prone areas submerged, with emergency services concerned on the fate of people living near riverbanks and the riparian lands.
We are not safe until we are safe. With the heavy rains, those living in lowlands are advised to move on higher grounds to be safe. Robert Oma, Switch TV at the Kenya Meteorological Department in Nairobi.
All right, more than 700 Palestinians have been injured in Jerusalem and across the occupied West Bank over the last 24 hours, further worsening the Palestine and Israel relationship. The war took a fresh hit after massive